All right, first thing you're gonna do is turn your pan on to low, just to get it warmed up for the eggs. We're gonna grab our milk. You might have a different kind of container. We're gonna pour 2 tablespoons into a bowl. I'm using a Pyrex mixing bowl. Put 2 tablespoons. If you make a mess, it's okay. Clean it up later. Just grab your rag and clean up the counter. Next, you're gonna grab 2 eggs, break them on the counter, so smack it, and then once you crack it through like this, you're just gonna separate it into your milk mixture. You're gonna put your shells into your trash bin or trash bowl right here. Same thing with your other egg. Crack it, and then put it in the bowl. Then you're gonna go over to the sink and wash your hands because you touched eggs. So make sure you do it for 20 seconds, hot water. Dry your hands. You're gonna grab a fork. You're gonna mix it all together like so, just to combine them. So it should look like this instead of white and yellow. Take your salt and pepper. You're gonna put just a tiny bit. For the salt, you're gonna wanna pour it into your hand, just so that doesn't happen. You're gonna take a little pinch and just sprinkle it in there. All right, put the rest in the sink. You're gonna again mix it together like so. Cooking spray, take the lid off and spray the inside. You're gonna turn up your heat to medium. After you have the spray in, give it a second to warm up. Put your fork in the sink. You're gonna pour your eggs into the pan like so. Try to get most of it out. Again, put your egg container in the sink. Use your spatula and you're just gonna mix up your eggs. You can see it's starting to get more solid. So these are almost done. You can see that they're no longer liquidy, they're solid. Yeah, they look ready to go. You're gonna turn off the burner. Just turn it off. You're gonna take your eggs off and put on the other ones. You're gonna grab a plate. You're gonna take your pan and you're just gonna slide your eggs onto your plate. You can top it with avocado, sour cream, ketchup, and there you have it.